In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your schedule's over-under analysis. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have the location selected, then click on Schedules. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Analysis. Choose Over/Under Analysis from the drop-down menu. You should now see a chart with all of your employees for this location and their over/under analysis. First, you will see your employee's name. Then you will see how many hours they are under their minimum. Next will be their minimum number of hours. Then you'll see their total hours. Next is their maximum hours. And last is the hours they are over scheduled. The hours that are highlighted are ones that are over or under the employee's minimum or maximum hours. The third employee down is Cassie, and she is under her minimum hours by 2.5. If it's crucial that Cassie gets 30 hours, you may need to go to the schedule and fix that. If you want to view a different date range, then you can use the arrows at the top of the chart or the calendar icon. If I want, I can go forward a week by clicking the forward arrow. I could do the same thing going backwards, or I can click on the calendar icon and choose a specific date to view. Let's look at last month. You can see that there were some violations in the last month. That's how you can view the over/under analysis of your employees' hours. Check out the next video to learn how to view your overtime estimate.